To fix an air conditioning unit that's not lowering the temperature, start by checking the circuit breaker. Ensure that both circuit breakers for the outdoor and indoor parts of the AC aren't tripped. If they are, simply flip the switches to turn them back on. Next, inspect the air filter, as a dirty one can significantly impact the cooling system. Remove the filter to check its condition and replace it if necessary. It's also important to verify that the thermostat is set to cool and that the temperature setting hasn't been unintentionally turned up. If the issue persists, it may be due to the age of the AC system. Units that are 10 to 15 years old may not function properly due to malfunctioning components. In this case, consider replacing the old system with a new, more efficient one. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and get your AC working properly again.